All right, so you see he kind of tries to overwhelm this other dog. Titus! Good boy, good boy. Increasing my distance. So remember, we're just going to use the name for the recall, because if he starts to haul butt, that's what you're going to do. Now, don't you slam into me. Titus! Good boy, good boy, good boy, good boy. For everybody at home, that's what you want. If you start out in the beginning with a dog that is moving towards you slowly, you're going to have big problems. You've got to get as much speed as possible. And we've had a few. I don't know if you guys remember a long time ago, that golden retriever Cooper. Somebody had used the collar on it wrong. Titus! Good boy! Good, good, good. And then when you called it, it would go really, really slow, and you got to do the run. Titus! Good boy. Good boy. Increasing my distance. And you're gearing them towards Titus! No, it's not conditional at all. If he thinks I'm calling him over here to sit or this, that, and the other, he's not going to want to come to me. Jacks don't like him. And if he just runs up to me like that, I'm not going to give him anything. Titus! No, I think he's going to do fantastic. All right, at home, you guys got to be careful. When they're jumping around like this, they'll slam right into you.